Yes. So here T denotes tens and O denotes ones. Okay. Now what is our next step? Our next step is to arrange this 42 under the column of tens and ones. Okay. So in number 42, 4 is at the tens place and 2 is at the ones place. Yes, it means that 4 will be placed under the column of tens. Okay, so we will write 4 and 2 will be placed under the column of ones. So we will write 2 under the column of ones. Clear? Now students, what is our next step? Our next step is to put minus sign. Why we will put minus sign? Because here we are doing subtraction. Yes, so we will put minus sign over here. Clear? Now what will be our next step? Our next step is to write the second number under the given columns. Okay. Now as you can see that 6 is a one digit number. Yes. So it means that 6 will be placed under the column of ones. Okay. So we will write 6 under the column of ones. Now we will step forward that how to find out the difference of such digits with regrouping. Okay. Now you all tell me that what will be our first step? How we will find the difference? Our first step is to subtract the ones first. Yes, as we always do. Yes. So first we will subtract the ones. Clear? Now 2 minus 6. Now tell me that can be 6 subtracted from 2? Can we subtract 6 from 2? Is it possible? No, is it not possible? Why? Why this is not possible? Because 2 is a smaller number. Yes, and 6 is a bigger number. We cannot subtract 6 from 2. We can subtract 2 from 6, but we cannot subtract 6 from 2. Yes. Okay. So what we will do? In this case, we will do regrouping. What we do? Regrouping. Okay. Now let's learn how we will do regrouping. How we will take borrow. Let's see how. Now students, as we know that 2 minus 6 cannot be done. Yes. So what we will do? We will take borrow from tens. We will go to the tens column and will knock the door that please help me. Give me some borrow. Okay. So this tens digit will give borrow to the ones digit. Clear? Okay. Now students, now see, we can easily subtract 15 minus 5. Yes. Now 7 can be subtracted from 15. Why? Because 15 is a bigger number. Yes, then 7. Okay. So now we can easily subtract. So let's subtract 15 minus 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Okay, clear? Now, after solving the ones column, we will come to the tens column. Okay, so in the tens column, there are 2 digits now. Yes, so 8 minus 2. Now, this we can easily subtract. Yes, as 8 is a bigger number, so we can subtract 2 from 8. Yes, so let's subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we will subtract 2 from 8, then 1, 2. How much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So what we will get is the answer 66. Clear? This is your difference. Okay? I hope this question is clear to you all. Now students, see, one exercise is given over here on page number 91. Please open page number 91, self practice 5H. Please open this page in your maths book. Okay, now students, see that one exercise is given over here on page number 93. Okay, please open this exercise, that is exercise 5I. Page 93, exercise 5I. Please open this exercise. Okay, let's take first one as example. No, first one has been already done for you. Yes, let's solve second one. Okay, 63 minus 27. So what we will do first? First we will arrange the numbers under the column of tens and ones. Yes, so let's arrange tens and ones. Okay, clear? Now in the first number, that is number 63, what we will do, we will arrange this number under the column of tens and ones. Okay, so in number 63, 6 will be placed under the column of tens and 3 will be placed under the column of ones. Okay, now let's put minus sign. Now what is our second number? Our second number is 27. Okay, so in number 27, 2 will be placed under the column of tens and 7 will be placed under the column of ones. Okay, done? Now what is our next step? Our next step is to subtract the ones column. Okay, so let's subtract the ones column. In ones column there are 2 digits, 3 and 7. Now students, tell me that can we subtract 7 from 3? Is it possible? No? Yes, why? Because 7 is a bigger number. Yes, 7 is greater than 3. So we cannot subtract greater number from the smaller number. It is not possible. Yes. So what we will do? Again we will take borrow. Okay. So what we will do? This 3 ones will go to tens column, 6 tens, and will say please give me 1 10. Okay. So this 6 10 will give 1 10 to 33. So this will become 30. That is 1 10 and 3